Step E. Remove the accessory rack of the machine. Then turn the machine over with the screen facing down. Note that a softer cloth should be replaced under the screen to prevent damage to the screen. Step R. Open these screws. Then take that down. Step 3. Find the motherboard we want to replace. There are 11 wires on the motherboard. And this wire. This wire has a special appearance and don't need to be marked. Then mark the remaining 11 wires with tape E to 10. It is best to mark them in order to prevent the wrong wires from being inserted during installation later. Step 4. Use tools to remove the 4 screws that fix the motherboard. You can use a sleeve like this one. If there is no sleeve, you can use needle-nosed pliers to unscrew it, but it will be more difficult to use needle-nosed pliers. After unscrewing the 4 screws, take a photo of the motherboard or a short video to record the marks you just made on the wires. Step 5. Unplug these 11 wires. The terminals of each wire and the connection with the motherboard are fixed with glue. It is difficult to unplug them. You need to be patient and careful. Be careful not to break the wires. Step 7. After removing these 11 wires, take the motherboard out of the machine. And then put the new motherboard on, according to the photos taken before, and plug the wires in. And plug the wires in. And then tighten these screws.
After tightening these 4 screws, do not install the bottom plate. Turn the machine on and test the power. If there is no problem, fix the bottom plate.